Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to give you the best tips and tricks for beginners for Mu Dark Epoch, okay? Now, I'm gonna give you some tips and that might sound counterintuitive, but I just want you to hear them out because believe me, they are the best for actually making the most out of this game, okay? Now, the first tip that I want to give you is to stop the auto battling the bosses, okay? So, in this game, you basically have like an auto combat in here button that you can see, as you can see on my screen right now. And when you press it, you're gonna automatically fight everyone basically, okay? Every single enemies automatically. So you don't have to do really anything, okay? You just have to press this button and you have to wait, okay? And this is gonna work with bosses as well. The problem with this button for elite bosses and PvP arena matches especially is that the AI is just gonna basically stand in the red danger zones as you can see and you're gonna take damage. Okay, even if you cannot see it with these monsters because they're very low level, I'm gonna take damage eventually. Okay, because you cannot parry, you cannot like both things. Okay? And also, so what is the fix? Is that when you're fighting a box, you have to manually take control of the joystick or your mouse and keyboard. Okay? So you have to kite the boss, you have to dodge the attacks, and you have to manually trigger your high damage cooldowns. Okay? You're gonna survive fights that the auto battler could instantly lose. Okay? So this is good for farming like low enemy or like low experience or low level enemies, but never for bosses. Okay, so that is my best advice for you. Also, guys, I want to give you another tip, which is the diamond discipline. Okay, so when you first start, basically, the game is gonna throw premium diamonds at you. You're gonna have them in your inventory, as you can see here. Okay, but this is a trap. Do not spend them on fancy wings or cosmetic gacha pulls. Okay, you have to save your diamonds strictly for the following items, which is 7-day experience potions, extra event tickets, like the Devil Score entries, and Land of Demons extra time. Okay? Do not spend them on nothing else, guys. This is very important. Now, finally, I want to talk to you about the skills, okay? So the skills are also very important, and you should personalize basically your skill layout as best as you can. All right. So, what are you gonna do, guys? You know, the game is gonna automatically slot the skill, but you have to take 5 minutes to read your skill and build proper layout. Okay. So I recommend you actually slot your crowd control, as you can see in here, first to kind of stun or freeze the enemy. Okay, as you can see, I can press the different skills that I have. And then you have to follow up with your, high burst damage kills. Okay, and that way you're gonna create like a logical combo that is gonna make a difference. So first you're gonna stun them, but then you're gonna attack them powerfully with bursts. Okay, so yeah. Also, guys, do not play this game solo, as I mentioned in the other tutorial. It's much better if you just click on join a party and you create or join any party. Even if you don't know the guys, it's gonna be better because you're gonna be able to accessive like weekly quests, guild bosses, and massive group buffs. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna make it much more easier for you as well not to die when fighting the bosses. But yeah, in general, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.